What's up, everybody? Hi to all you SK lifestylers. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button and become one. That said, I'm on vacation. You can see beautiful area. All right, first rip of the vacation. Let's do it. Well, got limp mode, so I don't know. I'm hoping it's just some grass or something stuck in the intake. All right, I checked the intake rate. I didn't see anything, but last time that happened, there was something stuck up in the jet piece and couldn't really see it until I was on the trailer. So I'm gonna try to go back. Hopefully it can still be in limp mode, or I can kind of troll back. I'm about almost a mile, half a mile probably from the family, and just try to go up on shore, see if I can work on it there. If not, then I gotta, you know, have them tow me back to the dock, put it up on the jet ski trailer at their house, and then just work on it in the backyard. Hopefully get whatever out. Hashtag vacation problems, I guess, right? SK lifestyle. Wow, I think maybe the battery's dead. Wow, the battery is dead. Come on. Damn, I should just left it on. So yeah, this happened. It's got to be the battery. The screen won't turn on, nothing. You can hear like a slight little hum ticking, like it's trying to pull battery, and it just, but all the fluids are there, the connections are solid, got no smoke, there was no overheating sign or anything, the jet's clear. So I mean, I guess it's the best problem to have. I can go get a battery tender, which I should have brought mine up. That's definitely a SK fail right there. So now I gotta spend another 15 bucks to buy something I already got, but is what it is. So I'm gonna buy one of those, charge it up over the afternoon, night, and also try to secure just a brand new battery anyway, because I'd rather just be out here with a fresh battery if that's gonna happen. But Sarah's cousin definitely made a good point that it might be the alternator. And if that's the case, you know, it's gonna be a sucky situation until I get back, because I'm not gonna repair that till I'm back home. But well, I don't know, there is a marina, so he might be able to fix that. We'll see. Maybe we have a little SK luck, SK lifestyle. Pray for your boy. All right, we're back at the dock. It's morning time, and I am ready to try whatever I can to get this knocked out. So I end up getting a whole nother battery. Now the thing is, they had like power sports batteries, but they weren't like specific to watercraft. They were more like dirt bikes, ATVs, UTVs. I kind of got it as a backup. I did charge up my battery overnight. The charger kind of said that it was maybe possibly bad at first. First it said it was good, then I hooked it back up, and then it said it was possibly bad, and then it went to some other setting, and then it started charging it again. So I don't know, it kind of leads me to believe possibly there's something wrong with this battery, but I don't know. And then I got some fuses and stuff too. So enough chatter, let's just see what SK can do, right? SK lifestyle. In case you guys were wondering, this is how you fix a jet ski at the dock. Got my little makeshift rig there to hold it open. Oh yeah, good times, SK lifestyle. But I guess the update I should give you guys right now, I checked all the fuses, it's fine. I charged up the battery again. I don't know if you guys can see it, I'll go down in there. Oh yeah, you can kind of see that bracket right there is cracked. So I just screwed it down as hard as I could. Obviously I can order another one when I get back home. And just reset up that battery bracket, but I'm wondering if maybe it just loosened and jostled the terminals enough. That's why it was cutting off. I don't know, seems kind of far-fetched, but you know, anything's possible. So let's see. Again, wish your boy some luck. Energizer power, baby. She lives, she's good. No warning signs, no issues, no limp mode. She just literally ran out of some electrons. I think the alternator was probably the only thing actually keeping her going. So I'm gonna let her run just for a minute just to see anyway. Really can't stay for long because honestly, it has been storming, honestly lightning outside, but it's kind of slowed down for the moment. The rain stopped. I think there might be about a half an hour break or so, but good news for the rest of the vacation. Sorry, Joe. Joe just left. Today was his last day. Never rode a jet ski. He was supposed to ride mine. And then, of course, right before I give it to him, it broke down. Like he said, probably good for him, because then he doesn't have to feel bad like he broke it or something. But no, I'm just sorry. Sorry I couldn't have tried it out. But yeah, I'm happy that she's running. Smell that exhaust. Smells great as ever.
Oh, we're recording. Oh, let's get lifestyle. Woo! Where's Brad? Get Brad in this.
Adam.
Hey, Adam, come here. Come here. Get Adam in it.
Alright, Adam. Hold on, you're gonna let's get Alexa.